Hello people, back again with another unboxing. Seem to be doing that a lot lately. But today I'll be unboxing the AZMIOR. I know I butchered the hell out of that name. This is the 4K portable display. And I'll be unboxing it here today. This display is a 15.6 inch display, Ultra HD IPS. It actually goes really. Here's the specs: an A1 screen, 15.6 IPS screen, 16:9 ratio at full 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160. Visual angle 178 degrees, 1000 by ratio. That's wow. And 60 hertz. 1.3 millimeter head jack, interface, mini HD signal transmission, full function Type C, power and signal. It's with Thunderbolt 3 PC and USB 3.1 for phones. Dimensions. Almost a full kilogram. But enough with that. Let's see what this baby looks like. Oh, at least I can get it out with one hand this time. Okay. There we go. Okay. I'm guessing this is the USB-C connection. Wait, hold on. Bruh, how many USB-Cs does this thing comes with? This is the mini HDMI. Oh, this one's the main. Wow, what on earth? I don't know what this is. But yeah, this is the mini HDMI. Looks like that one's up to like USB. That's crazy. So they give you like multiple. I'm guessing that this is the if the camera will focus. I'm guessing this is the adapter. Interesting. Huh. Okay, I don't know what on earth is this. so this is the power supply. That's where that USB-C comes into play, but bro, I didn't realize they just gave me like 2 of them. They literally just gave me 2 of these. Let's see, this is the user guide, but none of that matters right now. Let's take a look at the actual thing itself, if I can get it open. Looks like it's got its own protective case. Oh, goody. I'm assuming that this is supposed to be the protective glass. And here is the display itself. Okay. I'm gonna set this up, so I'll be right back. Okay. Took some doing. It's on there now with my my computer. Now this is gonna come in handy for me, where I gotta do a whole dual screen setup. And like this one was fairly, like this was actually well under 500 bucks. So to have that alongside with this the brightness is way up. Jeez. But anyway, that's the unboxing of the AZMIOR portable display. I know I completely butchered the name, but I can care less at this point. So that's the unboxing. You guys enjoyed the video? Don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.